When a guy calls you cute, it could mean a variety of things. He might be flirting with you romantically or just appreciating your personality. In some cases, he may like you but be too nervous to say more than cute for fear of coming off too forward. Sometimes when a guy calls you cute, he may be feeling comfortable around you and want to make you happy. If a guy says, "You look cute today," or gives the compliment in a specific way, he may just be admiring your outfit or a new style choice. Guys may also call you cute when they like your sense of humor or appreciate your way of thinking and talking. If you don't know a guy super well and he calls you cute, be conscious of potential negative connotations, as he may be feeding his own ego, diminishing your worth by saying you're cute in a dismissive way, or even trying to manipulate you. Pay attention to his body language, tone, and actions to decipher his true intentions. If you're interested in him, receiving a compliment is a positive sign, but always be aware of any ulterior motives.